Hi, Mattias here. I'm releasing a brand new EP this Friday, GELHEIN, Cambodia. It's a 6-song EP with around 27 minutes of music, and it will be available on all major streaming platforms. To celebrate the release of GELHEIN Cambodia, I will host a live stream this Friday. In the live stream we will listen back to the tracks and talk about the music production, sound design, and of course I will also answer to all your questions. The stream will go live both on YouTube and on Twitch. You have all the details about the live stream in the video description, and you can also click the card up here which will take you to the release party live stream, and you can click set your reminder there so that you get a notice on Friday when the live stream starts. Okay, hope to see you in the live stream and let's talk creativity. Until then, bye!
Det blir fint. Lägg ut på Facebook. Här mediterar vi. I Kambodja.